If you want to change the standard typography in Claude AI and use your own PC system fonts instead, you can do it in just a few clicks. Let's get right into the settings so you can customize your workspace. First, look at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen inside the Claude web interface. You will see your account profile name and icon down there. Go ahead and click on your account, which will open up a small pop-up menu. From this menu, click directly on Settings. This opens up your Preferences panel, where all your display and interface options live. Once the settings window is open, make sure you are looking at the General section. Scroll down toward the bottom of this menu until you see the option labeled Chat Font. By default, Claude usually has this set to Anthropic Serif or Anthropic Sans. Click on that drop-down menu to see the available options. You will see choices like Anthropic Serif, Anthropic Sans, System, and Dyslexic Friendly. Go ahead and select System from that list. Choosing this option allows Claude to automatically match whatever default font your computer system currently uses. The important thing to remember here is that this setting goes both ways based on your operating system. If you change your main font in Windows or macOS later on, Claude will automatically change along with it. However, if you are using a font that is hard to read across your operating system, it will make your chat windows equally difficult to read. Once you click on System, the change applies immediately. You do not need to hit a Save button or refresh your browser. You can just back out of the Settings menu by clicking outside the box or hitting the Close button. Now, when you start a new conversation or look at your old chat history, all the text will display in your custom PC system font. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.